આપણી સાથે આજે જે મેનેજમેન્ટ જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે એમની સાથે ડિસ્કશન આગળ વધારીએ. અનલોકિંગ થીમ પાછા અમુક દિવસોથી ઘણી ફ્લેવરમાં રહી છે. જે પ્રમાણે એવિએશન સ્ટોક્સ, હોટલ કાઉન્ટર્સ, રેસ્ટોરન્ટના કાઉન્ટર્સ આ બધા જ રિલેટિવલી થોડુંક આઉટ પરફોર્મ કરવાનું ટ્રાય કરી રહ્યા છે. એ બધાના સંદર્ભમાં એક સારો મૂવ આવી ચૂક્યો છે. આજે એવી જ એક કંપની આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ રહી છે. વન્ડરલા હોલિડેઝના મેનેજમેન્ટ જોડાયા છે. કંપનીના એમડી અરુણ જોડાઈ ચૂક્યા છે આપણી સાથે અને ઓવરઓલ રિઝલ્ટ્સ પર તો વાતચીત કરીશું જ, બટ એ સિવાય આજે અનલॉकिंग थीम फ्लेवરમાં છે એની પર વધારે ફોકસ રહેશે. तो सबसे पहला शुरुआत यहाँ थी करिए. शुक्रिया सर मेरे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून. रीओपनिंग जिस तरीके से हम लोग देख रहे हैं, अनलॉकिंग पिछले कुछ महीनों से थोड़े क्वांटम में होता हुआ दिख रहा है. पिछले साल के मुकाबले अब चीज़ें किस तरीके से स्टेबलाइज हो रही हैं, एक आइडिया आप अगर मुझे दे पाएँ, उसी से मैं शुरुआत करना चाह रही थी.
We got the go ahead from the Telangana government to open our amusement park in Hyderabad. We are also waiting for the Karnataka government to give us the go ahead for Bangalore park. So that should be available in the next 2 to 3 weeks is what we are hoping.
अग्रीड सर. अच्छा, उसके अलावा सेक्टर किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ता हुआ आप देख रहे हैं? क्योंकि अगर हम लोग ठीक समझ रहे हैं तो पिछला पूरा साल फर्स्ट हाफ तो काफ़ी डिस्ट्रप्टेड रहा था. अब जब थोड़ी मात्रा में पिकअप दिख रहा है तो विजिबिलिटी कैसे देख रहे हैं आप इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ? किस तरीके से मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूं? और चूंकि FY21 भी हम लोग क्लोज डाउन कर चुके हैं, FY22 का स्टार्ट है, चीज़ें अगर शेप अप बेटर हो रही है तो इंडस्ट्री एवरेज ग्रोथ कितना होगा? एक आइडिया अगर आप मुझे दे पाएँ ग्राउंड सिचुएशन जो दिख रही है उसको देखकर.
See, it's too early to talk about occupancy because it's very new. We have just opened today. But we are hoping that the demand will be strong because I think there's a lot of latent demand. People have not been able to travel for so many years and months and years. So we are expecting a good big booking to come up for us, especially in the amusement parks, August onwards. June, July is usually rainy season, so we don't get too many visitors. But August, September onwards, we get a lot of visitors. So we are hoping to capitalize on that.
ओके. और इसके अलावा टूरिज्म को लेकर क्या लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा बहुत चेंज हुआ है? ये माइंडसेट किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं आप? अब अगर रिसोर्ट्स की बात कर ले तो क्या इतना स्पेंडिंग पावर अब कॉन्फिडेंटली लोग स्पेंड करने के ऊपर सोच रहे हैं? एक आइडिया अगर आप मुझे इस रिगार्ड से दे पाएं.
Yeah, so I think people are, the people who are willing to take risks are the ones who are coming now. I think people who are really tired of sitting at home for many months. So they are the kind of people who are coming home. Also slightly younger demographic, slightly higher spending demographic. So these are the kind of demographics that are coming to us right now, which is a good sign because they are the early adopters. They are the ones who want to test out everything that's open and new. So that's good, and we are hoping that when we open our amusement parks, also we can attract a lot of young audience. So because young people are more, they don't mind taking a few risks, and for that we are hoping that will be a slightly younger population will come to us.
अग्रीड सर. अच्छा, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑक्यूपेंसी उसके ऊपर मैं आपकी एक कमेंट चाह रही थी. एज ऑफ नाउ कितना ऑक्यूपेंसी है? क्या हम लोग प्री कोविड लेवल्स के ऊपर आगे जाने की ट्रेजेक्ट्री पे है? और एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, ब्रेक इवन ऑक्यूपेंसी लेवल्स आपके कितने हैं? ऑक्यूपेंसी अगर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, एवरेज जो रेवेन्यू पर रूम होता है उसमें किस तरीके से चेंजेस आए? क्या आपने कुछ ऑफर्स के जरिए उसको लोअर किया है? क्या कुछ डिस्काउंट्स आप दे रहे हैं? ये कैसे शेप अप हो रहा है?
Yeah, so currently we are opening at about 5,000 rupees inclusive plus tax. So that's like an offer introductory pricing. Our normal pricing is about 6,000 rupees for a room. So I think so. Yeah, so we've discounted it a little bit to make it a little more attractive. But I think we've seen that price elasticity is quite high for us. People are willing to spend if the avenue of entertainment is worth their effort and money. People don't mind spending. So we don't see that the price is not a big issue because there are not too many amusement parks and resorts that are available. The offering that we have.
अग्रीड सर. और कितने पार्क्स रीओपन हो चुके हैं? विजिबिलिटी कैसे दिख रही है नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 months के लिए?
We are hoping that our amusement parks will be allowed to open from next month onwards, August onwards. As of now, Hyderabad, we have got the go ahead, but we are not opened it because we need a little time to prepare. So I think 1 month preparation is required for us to open the park. So that is happening right now, and we are confident that we are open at least one park in August, maybe two parks or maybe three also is possible, but we'll wait and see.
और इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्ट रिडक्शन, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से फिक्स कॉस्ट पिछले जो कोरोना के डिस्ट्रप्शन की वजह से हम लोग ज़्यादा ही पाइलअप होते हुए देख रहे थे, उसमें कुछ रिडक्शन की स्ट्रैटेजीज आप अगर अपना रहे हैं, कितना मार्जिन पे इफेक्ट होता हुआ देखेंगे हम लोग, एक आइडिया अगर आप मुझे दे पाएँ.
Yeah, I think we've been able to rationalize a lot of our costs, and I think we will be able to pass on some of those savings to our balance sheet and our profit and loss. But as we open the parks, we will have to rehire people, and we'll have to, incur more fixed costs. So it's hard to predict what amount of savings will remain once all our parks are open. But we are reasonably confident that some of the savings will definitely continue, if not all of it. So maybe at least 20 to 30% of the savings will continue, is what we are hoping.
ओके, अग्रीड सर. अच्छा, करंट फाइनेंस सिचुएशन किस तरीके से पैन आउट हो रही है पूरी इंडस्ट्री की, अगर आप मुझे एक आइडिया दे पाएँ, और साथ ही वंडरला की भी.
Yes, so our balance sheet is quite strong. We have about 90 crores worth of cash in the books, and which we had earmarked for our expansion plans. So I think we are reasonably in a good shape financially. We will not need to take any debt to maintain ourselves. And as we open our parks, our ability to obviously function improves, and we'll also become profitable quickly. For example, last quarter, in the fourth quarter of last year, we were doing quite well. We had an positive EBITDA of almost 4 crores in one quarter. So we are reasonably sure that the moment we are allowed to open, we'll be EBITDA positive.
अग्रीड सर. अच्छा, केपेक्स को लेकर क्या प्लान है FY22 के लिए, क्या अपडेट्स हैं आप दे पाए अगर मुझे?
So our Chennai park, we have put it on hold because we're not unable to construct the park right now because of the pandemic. So we will wait for the pandemic to end, because we need to have a steady way of functioning and building the park. So that whenever that returns, we are hoping that next financial year we can restart the construction. For the remainder of this financial year, we are not looking at constructing the park, so it will be pushed to next financial year.
अग्रीड. और FY22 के लिए गाइडेंस क्या रहेगा?
It's hard for me to give a guidance for the next year because we don't know what is going to happen.
Right.
If the COVID has indeed been brought under control in the country, I think we can see a good year in FY22 because people are really waiting to go out and travel and enjoy and have some leisure, travel to other cities, travel to amusement parks, other resorts, all these kind of things. You can see a lot more of that happening if the economy opens up and there is no fear of COVID. So that's what we are hoping.